Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this Sling camera backpack by Canon USA. Now, before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the Sling backpack with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Now kids, do not play with knives. Don't. Here it is. It's a little bit fluffy. In the description, this weighs about 1.5 pounds. The length, it's about 18.5. The width is 8.5 and the depth is 6.97 inches. Let me read the tag for y'all. So the version of this Sling backpack is EDC-10. The color is dark heather gray. Now this is made in Myanmar or Myanmar, however y'all pronounce it. Alright, so the front looks like this. Web. This is mesh. It comes with an adjustable strap that you could tighten. You could definitely put your water bottle here. Okay, this is my water container. As you can see, it's pretty spacious, the front pocket that is. Okay, this is made of stainless steel, I'm guessing. I hope it's made out of stainless steel. Alright, so that's the front pocket. Now the second pocket is zippers. Okay, the zipper is not YKK zipper. It's just a regular zipper. But I like the fact that the zipper has a closure that protects the outside element. As you can see, this is open. And when you close it, it protects the outside elements. Now this feels like rubber. Okay, so which is a plus. Now this pocket, it looks like this is where you put all your memory cards, maybe your document, ID, okay, and anything small, maybe your external hard drive. Close this up. Now open like this. Okay, So it's adjustable, but as of now, you can make it into 3 compartments. You could definitely put a camera body here, a camera lens, or maybe another camera lens on the bottom, but it's definitely adjustable. Okay. This is padded material. Padded all around, even the bottom. Okay. This is the front. This is padded. Okay. Inside, padded. The bottom, padded. The sides, thick pads. On the side here, it has the Canon logo here. Okay. Now, you also have another mesh pocket. Here you go. Maybe you could put more memory card in here. Now, I think this is durable. I like the design, that's first and foremost, and I like the zippers, how this part here protects the zippers from the elements. Of course, it's not gonna protect it fully as far as water wise, but at least it can minimize the water entering the bag. It is lockable, as you can see here. See this? There you go. See? You just put this two together and put something like put a small lock. Put a small lock in there. See that? A small lock. Boom. Now you have this thing here where you can hang it. Okay, for easy access. Boom. And then you can just open it. Now, on the back, you have another zipper. It's also padded. So what's good about this is padded everywhere. Like, I can have confidence in putting something valuable as far as electronic wise, because it's fluffy and the pad is thick, reasonably thick. Okay. Now the strap, definitely adjustable. Okay. Put something like okay, my final thoughts. First and foremost, I like the bag. I like the Sling backpack. Very well padded, okay? I think you could put expensive cameras in here, and I will have the confidence to minimize the impact when you drop it from at least a waist high. Um, very much padded, man. As you can see, it keeps the integrity of the backpack alone, just standing on its own. The strap is also padded. Now, this is definitely for travel or when you're out in nature. Now, I don't know if it will completely protect your gear from heavy rain. I don't know if it will protect it 100%, but it will definitely protect it and minimize the entrance of the water in the bag, for the simple fact that look at the design of the zipper. It has a protector outside the teeth of the zipper. I feel like the zipper teeth can be a little bit bigger, but anything, you know, anything else is fine. But I still feel that the teeth can be produced, slight bigger than this one. Now, the only zipper that's lockable is this part here where you put the camera body, which is basically the main compartment. This is the only part that's lockable. The back as well, padded. I was gonna buy a non-name brand Sling backpack off of Amazon, but I am a Canon consumer, so I'm gonna stick to Canon. I'm gonna remain loyal by Canon. So, I went and picked this one up, and I don't have buyer's remorse at the moment. The dark gray heather colorway gives it a very minimalist look. It's not like the Kodo Pack C backpack that I reviewed earlier. This blends in. Like I said, this gives it a minimalist look, and I like it. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.